Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to do a half double crochet for absolute beginners. This is part 3 to my Crochet for Absolute Beginners series. If you haven't already, please watch part 1 and 2 so you can learn how to make chains in single crochet. The link is in the description below. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. For this video, I will be using 4mm red acrylic yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. So I'm gonna start off with making a slip knot, and I'll make about 10 chains. If you don't know how to make chains, then click in the top right corner of the screen. So here are my 10 chains, and I'm just going to show you where exactly to place your hook. So you're going to be placing your hook in the 3rd chain from the hook. So that's your first, that's your second, and this is your 3rd where you're going to be placing your hook. So now we're going to be making our half double crochet. So you yarn over, you skip the first 2 chains, and you insert your hook into the 3rd chain from the hook. So you place your hook into the left loop of the chain, and you should have 3 loops on your hook. You then yarn over and you pull the hook through the chain you just inserted your hook in. And again, you should have 3 loops on your hook. You then yarn over one more time and pull the hook through all the 3 loops. And that's your first half double crochet. So we're just going to do the same thing a few more times. So you yarn over and you put the hook into the next chain. You should have 3 loops. You then yarn over, pull the hook through the chain. You should have 3 loops again on your hook. You then yarn over one last time and pull the hook through all the 3 loops. That's your second half double crochet finished. I'll just show you one more time. So you yarn over and you insert your hook into the next chain. You should have 3 loops on your hook. You then yarn over and pull the hook through. You should still have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one last time and pull the hook through all the 3 loops. And that's your 3rd half double crochet finished. Now I'm just going to half double crochet till the end of the row. Right now, I'm just finishing up on my last half double crochet of this row. So this is the end of my part 3 video on how to half double crochet on my How to Crochet for Absolute Beginner series. If you haven't already, check out my part 1 and 2 video, and check out my Instagram and TikTok that are linked in the description below. If you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos coming to this channel.